Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in Group 2004 instrumentation paper. The question is given x of z is equal to 1 by 2 and x of z is equal to 1 by 2 1 minus az inverse plus 1 by 3 1 minus bz inverse with a and b are less than 1. Okay. And ROC is given as mod A is less than AZ, or this implies mod Z is greater than mod A, and mod Z is less than mod B, and mod Z is less than mod B. What is the value of x of 0? X of 0 means we have to take the inverse Z. For that, we have to find the n equal to 0. We know an u of n is equal to z by z minus a, or mod z is greater than a. Similarly, minus an u of minus n minus 1 z by z minus a is a transform, mod z is less than a. So compare these two. Here you see they are given mod z is greater than a. Mod z is greater than a means this must be equal to this one. So this should give inverse z transform of this is 1 by 2. A means it should have been 1 by 2. So x of n should be 1 by 2 power n u of n, because it is z is greater than a. Here z is greater than a. It is 1 by 2. This must be 1 by 2. This must have been 1 by 2. So a is equal to 1 by 2 power n. Here you see mod z is less than b. Mod z is less than b means it is coming under this category. So what should be inverse z? Minus a. Here instead of a we have 1 by 3. 1 by 3 u of minus n minus 1. For this they are asking x of 0. What about for this x of n means x of 0 is what? X of 0 is 1 by 2 power 0. Right? 1 by 2 power 0 u of 0 minus 1 by 3 power 0 u of 0 minus 1. Right? Okay, so it is 1 minus 0, because u of 0 is 1 by 2 power 0 1. Here u of minus 1 is 0, so it is 0. So x of 0 is 1. So the answer is, now what is the question they are asking? X of 0 an u of n. Wait a minute. Sorry, here you see it is z by z minus a, which is nothing but 1 by 1 minus az inverse. So it is 1. So here I have 1 by 2. So it is constant multiplied here. So I have to include 1 by 2. So the answer should be this extra 1 by 2 will come this time. X of n is equal to, this is an u of n for z by z minus a, or 1 by 1 minus az inverse. But I have 1 by 2 in the numerator. Here also I have 1 by 3 in the numerator. So now if you substitute n is equal to 0, it is 1. Here I have 1 by 2 extra. It is 0 only, because u of minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 1 by 2. So x of 0 is 1 by 2. So option C is the right answer. Thank you.